Hello you guys. So for today's video we're gonna do something a little bit different. I just came up with this idea this morning actually, and I was like, why not just do like a video where you guys just online shop with me, because there's like a major sale happening on Shopbop. If you guys are not aware, Shopbop is such a great online store that they have just such a wide variety of brands, and they do this like sale every so often, not too often though, that they do like up to 25% off their entire site, which is major because they have like really great brands like Free People, A Goldie, just Stuart Weitzman. I have a lot of things that I already own from there, as well as some like things I've been looking at. They're on the sale, and I thought I'd share like what I'm going to be putting in my shopping cart and deciding on, and I thought we'd like kind of shop together and you guys could like help me place my order. I'll have all the information on my fashion blog, as well as linked in the description box below, and the sale code and everything you need to know will be down in the description box. So it is 20% off the entire site, or if you spend over $500 you get 25% off. And if you guys are not aware, like Shopbop, it does like add up pretty quickly, so it isn't too like hard to reach the $500 thing. And the thing is, like, you could just buy a bunch of things that you want to try on, different sizes, if you reach over $500, and then that way you get the 25% off, and then if you whatever doesn't fit or if you don't like it, you can return and you still keep the 25% off, which is great. So that's just a little sale tip for you guys, and definitely check out the sale because there's so much cute stuff. So I have quite a few things. That's why I have my laptop here. I'm sitting at my new desk situation. I thought I would just like kind of go over some things that I already own on the sale first, like things I absolutely love and like swear by. So I guess we'll just start with what I'm wearing. This is part of the sale, and actually they're price matching it on a different retailer because it is like almost sold out on Shopbop actually. So it is 20% off and free shipping, free returns. That's Shopbop as well. They have free shipping, free returns, which is great too. But yeah, I have like this pom-pom sleeve sweater on. It is so cute, you guys. Here, I'll take my hair off so you can see. So perfect for fall, and maybe I should like stand up a little bit so you can see. So here's what it looks like. I love it so much, you guys. This is definitely a top pick of mine. Like, definitely check it out. I'm wearing the size extra small and it fits true to size. So that is my first pick. And then I figured I would share a few other things with you guys. The next thing are my Free People bralettes. They're part of the sale as well. I have it in like a few colors. I just pulled the gray one that I have, and I want to say it's extra small. Oh yes, I get extra small. Here it is in the back. So I have like this dusty rose color, but really you can't go wrong with any of the neutrals or just like a pop of color. They have them on the sale, which is amazing. They rarely go on sale. So the fact that these are part of the sale, these are great for fall time. I layer them with thermals, so like that gives that layered look. It just adds a little bit of style to your outfit, makes it a little bit different, and they look great with dresses, anything with like a plunging neckline that you want to add a bralette under. These are great. They're so popular, and they're popular for a reason because they're so comfy. They have like a stretchy back to them, and I'd say it fits like your regular top size. I would get it that way. Another thing that you guys, if you've been on my channel for some time, these will be no surprise to you that I'm including this. They are my A Goldie shorts. Now I know these aren't like fall or like winter. You can't wear them there unless like depending on where you live, I guess. If you've been wanting these and you see your size, then definitely grab them on the sale now, and then you can just put them away if you can't wear them now. I just save them for spring and summer. But I love these A Goldie denim shorts so much. I literally wear these too much actually sometimes, but they hold up so great. I've had them for over 2 years, and I get the size 24 in them, and I'd say they fit a little bit on the larger side, so that's why I size down. I'm usually a 25 and I get the 24 in these. But literally you could go through my Instagram page if you want to see, like, you don't even have to have an Instagram. If you just go instagram.com/lace and lashes, if you want to follow along, you're welcome to. But you could see how many outfits in the past over the spring and summer this past year and the year before. And then before I forget, I should have showed you guys this with the sweater. This necklace that I'm wearing, it's a star necklace, and I've already gotten so many compliments on it ever since I've gotten it. I think it is such a unique and pretty necklace. It's dainty, and the stars are just so fun. And stars, I just seen so many for fall recently, so this star necklace is included in the sale, and this brand like is really great. You can't go wrong with really any of their jewelry, so you could check it out on the sale. And I'm going to link below this one as well as the rest of the pieces from this brand. I do have actually I might as well talk about a coin necklace that I'm really loving from this brand, and I have this in my cart. It's like a double layer, so you kind of get like 2 necklaces in one. It's a double layer set necklace. So this is in like yellow gold, and I think it is stunning. Coin necklaces are just such a nice, like, easy thing to just throw on and go. And I think this is a nice price point. Again, it's 20% off if you just want to get it itself. And the code and I said will be down below, but I really like it. So this jewelry lasts really long for me. It doesn't tarnish on me. It's really great quality. So love that piece in particular, as well as the star. I would recommend like those two. The star is a little bit cheaper, but I feel like it looks a little like the double layer may look a little more substantial if you're looking for something more traditional. So those are so cute. Another thing that I own on the sale that I have to point out, because these sell out all the time so fast on the sale. So again, if these have been on your wish list, these are the Stuart Weitzman over the knee boots. I've shared these in my fall essentials video, and these are amazing, especially if you have like a slim calf. These are great, and they fit true to size. I get my regular size 8 in them, and they're amazing, and I have them in black as well. So these are definitely a big, like, these are like very popular on the sale. So wanted to include these because these rarely go on that big of a sale. Like, you'll get 25% off of these. They're a great splurge. They are totally worth the splurge, you guys. Very, very comfy. I wear like fuzzy socks under, like, with mine. Obviously you can't see them, so they're just really comfy. So really like those. And then the last thing that I'm gonna share with you guys that I own that I think are great, and these are a great even gift idea for someone if you don't know what to get them. Put this away for like Christmas time. I've had them for over 2 years, I want to say, well over 2 years. They've held up amazing. I think I got these as a Christmas gift, actually. These are the Calpak packing cubes. I have them in the pink color. I think on the website they have, let's see, so they have the blush pink, and then they have a bunch of other colors. I think this is like rose gold and gold. They're up in price a little bit more, but these are under 50. So you get 2 large right here. These just keep you so organized, like literally, like I don't know what I did without these. And then they come with, I actually have 2 sets of them. I meant to only bring out 1 set, but yeah, 2 small, and then it comes like with the pouch that's like smaller, and then I accidentally brought that out, but I love them that much that I got 2 sets of them because they were that good. So yeah, the pink is what I have, but they come in other colors. And again, great gift idea because it's, you don't have to worry about sizing or anything. They're just a nice organizational item because you could just pack dresses in one, or like by outfit. It's a great way to keep organized when you're traveling. Okay, now let's talk about what I've been putting in my shopping cart for the sale. And I want you guys to help me decide, because obviously I'm not gonna like check out with everything, but these are like truly like my favorites, things that I would pick if I could keep it all, I would. So so we'll start with shoes, because I think that's always fun for fall, especially to get, this is like a perfect time to get like your essential shoes for fall. So I saw these Gucci dupes. They look just like the Gucci mules. So these are, I have the brown in my cart as well as the leopard. I'm definitely going to check out with one or the other, and I can't decide, so you guys have to help me. So I love the saddle brown pair, and don't they look like Gucci? Like, they look so expensive and so nice, and these are way better of a price point, especially with the sale price. So they are so pretty, and I love like the neutral color of the saddle. But I also was looking at the like leopard. It's called the mini leopard, and they are a little bit different, but you guys need to vote below. Should I get the leopard or the saddle? And then another shoe that I have in my shopping cart are these Hunter rain boots. And they're in, from what I could tell, they look like a light blush pink, like, right? It says the color is Echo, so to me, like, the color Echo, I don't even know what that means. Like, that doesn't tell me anything unless I'm like missing something. Someone could explain. But they look like a light, very faint pastel pink, and I thought they were so cute. And I don't own any short Hunter boots, so I thought that would be great to try on. And then another pair of shoes I have in my cart, which I'm trying to decide if I want to grab or not. This would be a total splurge for sure. They are darling for sure, and I'm like very tempted to order them, but I don't know. So you guys have to tell me, are they worth it? I don't know. I think they're so cute. I think that's pretty much the shoe picks. I mean, there's so many others that I found that I'm gonna have all on the blog, like so much other stuff that this video would get way too long if I like shared every single thing I like on the sale. So we're just gonna keep moving on to the next category, and that is gonna be, so dresses. There are 3 dresses that I have in the cart, and I just like, they're kind of like similar but not really at the same time. So I'm gonna share the first one, which is, I think they're almost all floral. 2 of them are floral. So this is the eyelet wrap mini dress. It's in like an ivory paisley print, and it is gorgeous. It has like belt sleeve, it has like a wrap style dress, and it just looks so pretty and feminine. So I have that one in the cart. And then you guys have to tell me about the next one. This is another like wrap style dress. Again, this one's more like pink tone though. The other one's like ivory. This one is like rosy pink. And it looks so cute. It actually reminds me of like a romper I got over the spring, but like it looks a little bit more like warmer toned for fall. And I think this would look so cute with a cute like moto jacket and some over the knee boots. I could just really picture that. And this is under $100 plus the discount, which is great. And then the third dress, which is like a long sleeve option, it's stunning, especially if you have like a fall special occasion to go to, or even going into winter. I think this would be cute with like a faux fur jacket. It just would look dreamy as anything, I feel like. They're also pretty. I might just get one of the floral and then maybe try on like the long sleeve one. But let me know your thoughts on that. I also have this teddy, like more like bomber jacket, and it comes in rose quartz or like a black color. So of course I have the rose quartz one in my cart. It just looks so chic and like trendy, but like just, I don't know, it looks so cozy to me, and I just love it so much. And it looks like a really great high quality piece. So I really think I want to try this one out. But again, let me know your thoughts on your favorites. We'll just jump around to a scarf. I love this plaid scarf so I found a bunch of plaid scarves. I'll have like all the pictures of them that I found. This one is more like burgundy, and like it looks like a pink, but I don't know, it could be like more purpley in person. I don't know for sure, which I'd be interested to see how that would look. But it's a plaid scarf is always a great option. And then the next thing that I saw, and I always love to like sometimes like invest a little bit more in basics, because you wear the basics a lot. So I saw, this is by the brand Splendid, and it's a leopard Henley, and Splendid makes really soft, really high quality basics. So I have this leopard one in my cart, and I think it looks so cute. I wanted to share it with you guys to let you know in case you were looking for something like this. But it is definitely an investment piece, but again, I feel like you could get so much wear out of it. And when you're wearing basics a lot too, you don't want them to look worn and like pilled. Splendid is just always known for their high quality pieces. I do own a few Splendid pieces, and they always hold up so well, like from year to year. They're not something that you're just gonna wear for a season and it's just gonna look, you know, all worn. So really love this one, and I love the leopard, of course. There is also a pair of Marl joggers. These are actually a pretty decent price point. This is by the brand Z Supply, and they come in black and heather gray. Oh my gosh, is the heather gray already sold out in extra small? I probably might try the small because I like them like not super tight anyway. So I'll probably try the small. They're already selling out in large in the black. Sometimes though they restock, so you could check back. Don't take my word for what it is right now when I'm recording this, but okay, I better hurry up and like get this together, but I'll just wait for you guys to like vote, and hopefully it stays in stock. But these are the gray marled joggers, and they look so comfy. Again, Z Supply I already own. They're really known for like their t-shirts and like comfy basics, and these look so comfy. And I could use a new pair of joggers because it's just been some time since I've gotten a fresh pair for my wardrobe. So these like plain ones are nice to have. I think they're just gonna go with a lot. And then the next thing I'm loving are these heart earrings. I just think they're so fun, and they're under $40. So plus the 20% off, I just feel like they're a great price point. But Shopbop has tons of really cute statement earrings on the sale, so definitely check it out. But these are a pearl heart earring, and I think they're so precious and cute. So yeah, I definitely want to share those with you guys, as well as Tory Burch is included on the sale. So I found 2 different bags. So if you want something a little bit more affordable than the like Louis Vuitton Neverfull, this is an amazing option. And I love the pink design, but this does come in a bunch of other colors if pink isn't your thing. But the pink, it's called Coastal Pink. It is so pretty. I love it so much, and I love the gray and pink stripe going down the middle of it. I just think it looks so classy, and it's a great basic. I also am loving, this is a totally different bag from Tory Burch if you're looking for a new one. This is giving me like all the Chanel vibes, and it's a like, or even like, it's kind of like my Gucci. It's like a dupe for the Gucci bag. So it's in shell pink, and but again, it comes in, it looks like it comes in black, I'm looking at right now. And it's so pretty. It's just a nice like evening bag, or just if you want to look chic for like everyday, like dressy casual. This is great with even t-shirt and jeans in this bag, and it looks like $1,000,000. And then there's a sweater I'm looking at. It's a chenille sweater, and it looks so comfy. Like chenille is just always one of those fabrics that is just ultra plush and soft, and this one is a good price point, especially for being on Shopbop. This is under 70, and it's in a dark camel color. It also comes in harvest yellow. I mean, yellow is just not my color, but if you are interested in that color, I think that's a great option. You guys, I have so many tabs open right now. I am not a person, you guys have to tell me, are you like have 1,000,000 tabs open on your computer and keep it that way, or do you like have to only have like a tab or two open? All right, my camera just cut out on me, so I don't even know where I was at and like where it's coming off. So I was talking about the slip pillowcase, the slip silk pillowcases. I have one on my pillow that I sleep on, and it is just amazing. I've heard so many benefits for your hair and your skin, so I highly recommend trying it out. It's just really luxurious, and it really is though like very beneficial as well. So I definitely recommend that if you've been like on the fence. And they have a bunch of like really cute coffee table books on the sale, and I've been looking to grab some new ones, and I'll share all like my favorite ones on the blog post because there are just so many. I don't want to like talk through and bore you guys in case you're not interested in coffee table books, but they have really cute things like that as well if you weren't aware on their website. And they have the slip silk scrunchies, which I like literally wear when I'm pulling my hair up. 9 times out of 10 it's with that, or if it's like an invisible hair tie. But I love the silk scrunchie. I sleep with my hair up in a messy bun with a silk scrunchie every single night, unless it's like I just washed my hair, then I don't. But it's amazing, and it preserves your hair, doesn't crease your hair. Yeah, so anything that I like forgot to mention or didn't get to like cover that I have like in my favorites, I'm gonna have on the blog. There's like a bunch more favorites that I absolutely love and adore that I just don't want to like make this video too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed like shopping and online shopping with me. I thought this was really fun. If you want me to do this like for another like sale or anything like that, let me know how you enjoyed it, and let me know if you get anything from the Shopbop sale, because there are so many cute things. I'm gonna have everything linked, as I said, on the blog, the sale codes you need to know, and all that information. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're new here to my channel, definitely consider hitting subscribe on the way out, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye. Baby, you